What's up guys, I continue to test the budget LCD projectors, and today I've got my hands on Acrojoy Sunspark 518W. The new projector has Full HD native resolution, 450 ANSI brightness, dual band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.1 support. You know the projector looks very good for its price of only $100, but we need to test it in detail. Let's start with unboxing. So we can see the image of projector on the box, as well as its main features. I have already told you about a 1080p native resolution and Wi-Fi connection, but it also comes with a tripod included. Let's check it out. First, there is a nice bag in the box. The bag is very useful for carrying or even storing the projector. When you open the bag, you will find a user manual, quick start guide, a warranty card, and cleaning tools. Then there is a projector itself in the bag, as well as power cable, HDMI cable, remote control, and a tripod. I have noticed that many budget projectors have a bag and a tripod included. I really like this trend. You know, I think Acrojoy Sunspark 518W looks like an office projector. Do you agree? It has a rectangular shape, straight corners, and lines on the front and back. Yes, it does remind me of a professional office projector. On the front, it has a big lens and infrared receiver. On the side of projector has a power input, and the other side has an audio output, AV input, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, and USB ports. At the top we can see focus and keystone correction wheels, as well as control panel with power on-off button, settings, source, return, navigation buttons, and a key. As I said, the projector comes with a tripod, so it is not surprising that it has a 1/4 inch screw hole at the bottom. By the way, there is also a speaker at the bottom of projector. I am not sure if this is a good location for the speaker, but we will check the sound quality later in this video. The dimensions of Acrojoy Sunspark 518W are 200 by 155 by 75 mm, so it is a compact projector. The weight is 950 grams. You know, while other projectors chase stylish designs with rounded edges, Acrojoy projector looks conservative. You might even think it has an outdated design, but I disagree. It looks professional and solid, which is especially good for the office or college. When it comes to the user interface, Acrojoy Sunspark 518W has a simple multimedia system. There's a built-in media player, so you can plug in a USB drive and watch a movie, listen to music, or view photos. The main screen has iOS cast, Mirrorcast, AV, settings, HDMI 2, HDMI 1, and iOS cable. We will talk about wireless connection a little later, but now let's go to the settings menu. Acrojoy projector has network settings, system settings, and the projector settings. In the network settings, we can connect to the Wi-Fi network. In the system settings, have language, local update, online update, Bluetooth, software version, and restore factory default. In the projection settings, we can only change the projection mode and image scale. However, you can also press the menu button on the remote control and change a picture mode, color temperature, and a noise reduction. Then we can choose a sound mode from standard, movie, music, sports, and user. The other options are aspect ratio, software upgrade, and version. Okay, that's all about settings. And now let's try to connect a smartphone to a projector via Wi-Fi. First, you need to go to the settings menu on projector and connect to your home Wi-Fi network. The smartphone and projector must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then return to the home page and go to the iOS cast if you have iOS device and Mirrorcast if you want to connect Android device to projector. Now take your smartphone and open a screen mirroring menu. Select a projector and that's it. Acrojoy Sunspark 518W supports dual band Wi-Fi, so the latency is quite low. The new projector also has a Bluetooth support. You can connect the external speaker or the wireless headphones to it. For that, go to the settings menu, system settings, and select Bluetooth. Now turn on the Bluetooth and search the device. In my case, this is a small Bluetooth speaker. You know, this is a very useful feature, because the projector's built-in speaker is average. If you want a quality sound, you need to connect an external speaker. You can use a wireless Bluetooth connection or 3.5mm audio jack on the back of projector. I think the main problem of Acrojoy Sunspark 518W projector is the noise level. It is about 50 decibels near projector and 40 decibel at 1 meter. This projector is really noisy. I think this is because of the high brightness. The projector is also very hot after long use, especially on the left side, where the warm air comes out. You shouldn't cover the left side of the projector to avoid damaging it. Okay, now let's talk about projection quality. Acrojoy Sunspark 518W has a Full HD native resolution, and the image is very clear. I just noticed the top left corner is a little blurry, and the rest of the screen is fine. It is really good for a budget projector. Another feature of this projector is 450 ANSI brightness. You know, at first, I didn't believe that a projector for $100 could have a brightness of 450 ANSI. However, it seems to be true, because the projection screen is very bright. I think it is very close to DLP projectors. By the way, 450 ANSI is about 15,000 lumens.
You're a kraken hiding as a human. You really gotta go now. And soon, everyone will know the truth.
What would be sound like?
Mighty.
You just described me. Shadow me. Do whatever I do. Whatever I do. Whoever Greg was buying from was amongst you last night.
Before you get inside of them.
Reds come back into 3. Grant for 3 off the front of the eye. You Soleil with the ball. You Soleil again. Hit back 3 from Jason Tatum. Design run way through and across the 30 and still going for a first down. But Bolden chased him down. Who else?
We can see main features of it on the site, such as zinc alloy, mechanical keys, and password. Inside the box, there is a user manual and a layout of how to properly install a door lock. In a cloudy weather, as I had, you can even use a projector during the day without closing the curtains or blinds on the windows. If you have bright sunshine, you can close the curtains and keep watching the movie or run a presentation in the office. Mechanical keys and password. Inside the box, there is a user manual and a layout of how to properly install a door lock.
Yeah.
Outcast. That's all they see.
I see you.
The way of water connects all things.
5 of 6 from the line, 9 of 16 from the floor. And
it's a 10-point game.
I believe that Acrojoy Sunspark 518W has the best projection quality among ultra-budget projectors of about $100 that I have ever tested. It has native Full HD resolution, vibrant colors, and high brightness. I am very surprised by the brightness of a 450 ANSI of this projector. If you are looking for a budget-friendly projector with a good image quality, Acrojoy is one of the best options. However, it is not perfect. Because of its high brightness, it has a dual-fan cooling system, and it is quite noisy. Overall, I think this is a good budget projector for home, office or college. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!